Hello guys, so I welcome you to Aviate Learnings. Today what we'll be doing is that the reasoning paper 3 of SATs, right? 2023 SATs. I'm talking about the KS2 SATs, which you'll guys be having just after a few days in May. Okay, so this is gonna be very helpful as I'll be covering up all of the concepts related to that, and I'll tell you a great method for your problem solving. Okay, so KS2 SATs paper today we'll be solving. It would be helpful for your curriculum, right? Okay, so and it will help you to prepare well for your KS2 SATs. So let us begin with that. And here we have the question number one for it. And what it says that Clen has these cards. She uses three of the cards to make three-digit number. Each card can used only once, right? So can put four in tens place, isn't it? So yeah, what I have to do here that I'll cross off the cards which I'm doing, right? Write the lowest three-digit number. Remember, question is always written in the blue mark. Yeah, and if it is a 1 mark question, you can go easy with that. But if it is a 2 mark question, what you have to be very careful in doing that. Okay. So what it says that each card can be used only once and can puts four in tens place, right? So this is ones, tens, and hundreds. So can put four in tens place, right? Right. The lowest three-digit number that can come. So four is already there. I cut off the four. Now lowest number I have to make. So lowest digit will go in the highest place value column. So it would be 2 here. Okay, and then it would be 7 here. I could have put 8 also, but 8 would be the higher number. So 247, the number I get. Now, take the number 80,306. Yeah, so 80,306, so simple. Okay, 80,306, simple. Okay, Abina draws a triangle. Okay, she then reflects it in y-axis, draw the reflected triangle. Right? So this is 2 point away, right? This point C is 2 point away. How you have to take the reflection? Y-axis means y-axis, everything will remain constant. X-axis, the things will change. Okay, so 2 points away, 2 points away, the point C. Then 3 points more from point C, so 3 point more. Okay, the 3 point above, right? Like this. So this is how the reflection will. Simple. Okay. So y will remain constant, x every coordinate will be changing. Okay, write the next number in this. Okay, so here we have on the question number 4, it is increasing by 100, isn't it? 780, 880, so 2080, then 2180, that's it. Okay, circle the decimal number that round to the same whole number. Yeah, so 13.2, right? Lesser than 5 for the whole number, so this will remain 13. 4.7 more than 5, 5 or more than 5, it will be rounded up, so this would be 5, so 13 will remain the same. 15.9, this will round it to 16. Okay, and 16.3, this will be rounded to 16. Again 17.6, this will be rounded to 18. So these are the numbers that will remain the same whole number. Okay, write the missing number to make the calculation correct. So just this place value of write 1 lakh, sorry, 1 million, right? And then you have 300,000. So just the place value of right 40 and 50. Okay, write the part of the number that has been torn off, right? So 1 half decreased by, again half increased, half increase, half increase, isn't it? Half increase is going on. 3, 3.5, right? 4, 4.5, right? Okay, now I come to where 5.5 would be here, isn't it? 5.5 would be here. 6, 7, 7.5, increase half more. So this will become 8 and this will become 8.5. 10.5, right? So 10 here, so increase half more. So 10.5, 11, 11.5, 12, 12.5, right? So half increase going on from like this direction. That's it. Okay. So you just keep on increase the half number and you'll get to the next line. Okay. So what number was in the bottom left corner of the square? Bottom left corner is actually 10.5. That's it. Okay. Match each end to the correct name. Yeah. So first of all, regular means all side equal and all angles are equal. Okay. So irregular pentagon, right? It should have 5 sides and that can be unequal. Okay. Uh, right? Irregular hexagon. It could have 6 sides and 6 sides could be unequal. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Irregular hexagon, right? This is regular hexagon, isn't it? All 6 sides are equal. Irregular pentagon. This is irregular pentagon and this is regular pentagon, right? So regular all sides equal. Pentagon will have 5 sides. I multiplied a number by 3. My answer was 22. Explain why Jack is not correct. Okay, so when you multiply, I multiply a whole number by 3. Yeah, so what you can do, that 32 divided by 3. Do you get a whole number in this? No, you do not get a whole number, right? It is not divisible by 3, isn't it? 32. So that is why this is not correct. It won't be a whole number what we have multiplied. Oh, write the missing square number to make the addition correct. Right? Missing square number. Square is means a number multiplied by itself 2 times. Like 2 square is what? 4. 3 square is what? 3 multiplied by itself 2 times. That's what squares are. So 8 square, right? Which means 8 times 8 will give me 64. Now 73. So what I should take? 3 square, right? 3 times 3 gives me 9. So from 1 to 10, you guys have to remember all of the square that I will say. Okay. Cube is what? Number multiplied by itself 3 times. That's what cube is. At the start of April, a shop had 15,000 games. The shop sold 7918 game in April, 7,918 game in April, 4,624 game in May. How many games did shop have left at the end of the May? 15,000 it have in total, isn't it? Okay, right. Now, how much it sold? 7918, 7,918 and 4,624. This much it sold. So 8 per 4, 12, 4, 15 and 125. 12,542, right? And 15,000 and 12,540. Okay, so 9, 10 taken away to 8, 5, and then, isn't it? So it's 2558, 2,558 games were left. Okay, simple, right? This is a drawing of Roy. Take the net that could make the cuboid. Okay, so you guys have to take the net that make the cuboid. Okay, so this one will not make because this part will have to be here. Okay, yeah, obviously this one will make. This will overlap with this, so this will not make. This will make. Okay, that's what it is. Write the missing number to make the calculation correct. So 754 6 times, 754 3 times, isn't it? So what I can do, I can take 754 6 times and 3 times. So total how much is 6 plus 3, 754 common and 6 plus 3. So it 754 9 times. Okay. Here are 5-digit number used to cut to make fraction equivalent to 25%. Isn't it? So 25% is what? 25 over 100, right? Or else we can write it as 5 over 20, or else I can write it as 1 over 4. Okay, so this is what it can be written. So 1 over 4. So 1 and 4 I used it. Okay, use 2 cut to make a fraction equal to 0.4. 0.4 is what? 4 over 10, isn't it? Or 2 over 5. So 2 and 5. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay. Amina went to a concert evening. It took her an hour and 20 minutes to get there from home. It took her an hour and 20 minutes to get there from home. She arrived at 10 past 7. Okay. So hour and 20 minutes, right? It took her to get there from home. She arrived at, when she arrived, uh, 10 past 7. Isn't it? At what time did she leave home? Okay, so I have to subtract r and 20 from here, right? Now whenever you have to subtract time, be very careful. It's not subtract as you do it directly. So you arrived at 10 past 7. So first I'll subtract 20 minutes. 7 minutes are already there. 13 minutes are more left, isn't it, to subtract? So it would be what? 9 past 47, isn't it? 20 minutes like this. 13 and plus 7. 9 past 47. Now I will subtract 1 hour more. So it's 8 past 47. Okay. The concert started at 7:20 p.m. It finished at 7:95. How long did the concert go? 7:20, isn't it? 7:20. I have to reach 9:05. Okay. So first I'll add 40 minutes. Okay. So I reach to 8. Then I add 1 hour. So I reach to 9 and then 5 minutes more. Right. So 40 plus 5, 45 and then 1 hour. So 1 hour, 45 minutes it lasts. Okay. A box of chocolate eggs has mass 870 gram, right? A box of chocolate eggs have mass how much? 870 gram. The empty box have mass 30 grams. Okay. So total mass of chocolates in the box. What is the mass of one chocolate in an egg, right? So 24 chocolate it was having, right? Plus the mass of chocolate box, isn't it, is equal to 870 grams, isn't it? So 24 chocolate it was having, and plus mass of chocolate box, so 30 gram, isn't it, equal to 870 gram, right? So 24 chocolate plus times mass of each chocolate is equal to 840, isn't it, divided by 24. Yeah. So 6 fours are and 6 ones are and 4s are. So 140 upon 14, 4 threes are and 4 fives. So the 35 gram is mass of each chocolate egg. Okay. A rectangle is divided into three parts. Half of the area of shaded line, part B is one third. What fraction of the area of rectangle is shaded? Right? So simple. This is shaded and this is shaded. So half plus 1 by 3. Actually, it's 5 over 6. That's it. Okay. A table shows total rainfall and sunshine each year at Heathrow Airport from 2010 to 2015. Okay. So use a table graph to complete the graph. Okay. So 2012, how much it is? 700 millimeter rainfall. Yeah. So 700 will lie here, isn't it? Between 8 and 7. Okay. Using the airport calculator, the mean hour of sunshine from 2013 to 2015. Mean hour of sunshine, right? So what you'll do, you'll add all of them up. 1452 plus 1669 plus 1508. You'll add them all up. 2 and 9, 11 and 8, 19. 6 and 6, 12. 5 and 6, 11 and 5, 16. And 4629, right? 4629 you get 4629. This is for what? For 3, and you have to divide this by 3. Okay. So this would be the mean. Total sum divided by how much number you are having. So 3 ones are 3, 5, 3, 4, and 3. So 1543 is your answer. Now you move to here. Okay. This type of question gets repeated a lot in the sets, right? These type of question, definitely you will get one type of question like this. So you have to be prepared for it, right? These are the prices of some vegetable in a shop. Okay. So mushroom have 3 pound and 20 pence for 1 kg and 60 pence for 1 kg, right? So Laila buys 500 gram and 1/4 of carrots. She pays 5 pound note. How much Laila is, right? So I'll write in pence first of all. So for mushroom, okay, in pence I will write everything. It's okay. So 322 pence. It's for what? 1 kg, isn't it? And for carrots, you have 60 pence for 1 kg, isn't it? Now, Leila buy 500 grams of mushroom. So 320 pence for 1 kg. So for 500 grams, it would be 320 divided by 2. So that would be 160 pence, isn't it? And 1/4 of carrot. So 1 kg of carrot she gets for 60 pence. And 1/4 she'll get for 15, isn't it? Pence. 1 kg she gets 60 pence. So for 1/4, like 250 grams, she will get for 50 pence. So how much it is? 75 pence. So total how much she get? 160 pence plus 75 pence. How much it is? 235 pence. Isn't it? Now 5 pound note she uh, gave, right? So 500 pence she gave, and you have to take away 235 pence from that. So what it is left, that 265 pence are left. Okay. So that's what it is. Okay. And question number 20th we reach. Now, the length of rectangle is 6 centimeter and the width is W centimeter. Okay. So circle all the methods that can be used to work out for the perimeter of rectangle. Yeah. So what you'll do, that perimeter is what? The length of all the sides. So this is W, so this will be W. This is 6, so this will be 6, right? So first way you can get is that 6 plus W plus 6 plus W, isn't it? So this is, now you can rearrange and write it also 2 times 6 plus 2 times W, isn't it? Or what you can do, you can take this 2 common, so you will have 2 times W plus 6, isn't it? This 2 will come outside. Okay, so 6 plus W is there, 2 times W plus 6, and 2 times 6 gives you what? 12, right? So this thing you can write it as 12 plus 2 times W. So yeah, all three are correct. Okay. Question number 21. There are 25 classes in a school. Each class has 34 people. Okay. 25 classes you have, right? Each class, right? Each class have 35 people. Okay. So total people will be what? 25 times 34, right? 60% of the people play school after this. 62%, right? So 25 times 34. These are the total number of people. Okay. How many people do not play, right? So see, 64% total, there for anything total, there would be 100%, isn't it? Out of 100%, 64, 62 play, right? So how much we not playing? 100 minus 62% will not be playing. So that would be what? 38% will not be playing. So 38% what? Total is what? 25 times 34. This is the total. So I have to find 38% of this. That's it, right? 25 one times, 25 four times, right? Never multiply the things. Keep them as it is and then cancel them out. 2 times 2, 2 times 19. 2 times 1, 2 times 17. Answer I'll get it as 17 times 19. This is the answer I get. Okay. So this will be what? 9 times 7, 63, and then 15, and then 17. So you get 3, 2, yeah, 323. This is your answer. Okay. Triangle, right? How many use the number of machine to calculate how many the diagonals are? Okay. So triangle, 3 times 0, you have to do. Okay. Quadrilateral, 4 times 1, right? The numbers are increasing. See, this row, they are increasing by 1, right? Divide by 2 is remaining the same. And here you are getting actually equal to the number of diagonals, right? So pentagon, 5 times 2, you will do 10 divided by 2, 5, right? Now you will have then hexagon. So 6 times 2 divided by 2. So 12 divided by 2, you'll get 6 diagonals, right? Then you will get heptagon, which have 7 types. So 7 times 2 divided by 2. 14 divided by 2, you'll get 7 diagonals. Okay, then octagon, right? You'll get this. One have been missing, A by B, right? So 3 by 20, this will come. Okay, 3 over 20, this will come. So this will come as what? 0.15. Then 5 over 8 will come, right? So 0.6 this will, right? So this is what it is. Okay. And here we have uh, done the KS2 SAT. So for anything, you guys can comment and ask me your doubts, right? I will be much helpful to help.